This is another beautiful question. Here it says there is a container holding 40 liters of juice. 4 liters of juice is initially taken out from the container, and 4 liters of water is then poured in. That means whatever amount of juice is taken out, equal amount of water is poured in. Now, 5 liters mixture replaced with 5 liters of water, and then 6 liters of mixture replaced with 6 liters of water. How much is the juice containing in this mixture? Now, that's what we need to find out. Okay, we'll apply the replacement formula again. So we have initially 40 liters. So x जो हम लोग फॉर्मूले में लगाते हैं ना, x minus 5, उसमें x क्या हो गया आपका 40. How much is taken out in first operation? 4 liters, right? Out of total 40, ये हो गया आपका first time. Second time, out of this 40, the quantity replaced is 5. I hope you all remember the formula. Yeah, x minus y by x raised to n if we repeat the same quantity or multiply with the different numbers if the quantities are different. Quantity of replacement is different. Okay. So ऐसा कुछ दिखना चाहिए. This should be equal to juice left now divide by total. अच्छा, total आपका क्या होगा? Total अभी भी आपका 40 ही होगा because when you replaced the total volume, total amount of liquid in the container will remain same. So this should be 40 again. Now, if you want to find out the juice left now, you can cross multiply 40. अच्छा, इधर simplify कर लेते हैं left hand side पे. So you get 40 minus 4 by 40, that is 36 by 40 is what? 9 by 10. यहाँ मिलेगा 35 by 40, that is 7 by 8. यहाँ मिलेगा 34 by 40, so you cancel by 2, 17 by 20. Cross multiply किया, 40 to the other side, 40 here. Juice left now. Now you can cancel 22s are 40 here. Okay. Now you can multiply this and simplify. See answer क्या आने वाला है. और क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग 2 से cancel कर सकते हैं. This is what 4 and let's do the calculation. After the calculation, you should get something like 1071 here. Divide by 40. Okay, you can cancel by 4 and then use the decimal sign later. So आपका आंसर कुछ आना चाहिए 26.775 ऐसा आपका आंसर आना चाहिए. So this much part of juice is left now. This much part of juice is left now in the container. That's your answer. Option number D is the answer. Easy है. The only difference is what? जो फॉर्मूला हम लोग लगाते हैं x minus y by x to the power n, ये हम लोग फॉर्मूला लगाते हैं when y quantity is been replaced each time. But suppose first time आपका p quantity है, second time q quantity है, third time r quantity है. In that case आप क्या करोगे? x minus p by x for the first time, x minus q by x से ही subtract करना है. Keep in mind, x से ही आपको subtract करना है. You need to subtract q from x minus r by x. ये आप multiply करते जाते हैं as many operations as you applied. अभी आप बात सोच के देखो यार, अगर ये सब y ही होता instead of p q r, अगर ये पूरा y होता तो ये y यहाँ पे भी y, यहाँ पे भी y, so this would have been x minus y by x का cube, right? So इससे I hope you don't have any problem with these formulas. The formulas are pretty clear, right? Okay. Let's see the next question.